LeBron James erupts for 44 points and a near triple-double with 10 assists, 9 rebounds. He also had 3 steals and 1 block. And the Cavs are rocking those orange jerseys again. In the last video, everybody was saying, man, these jerseys are hot, they're fire. Why don't they wear these more often? Well, maybe LeBron James saw those comments and he said, you know what, let's let it fly again at home. He's putting on a passing clinic and he's in attack mode using the left hand for that layup. Some of the passes earlier on in this game were just amazing, weren't they? His vision is something special at 6'8". Here's Kemba Walker. Tough layup. He's getting hyped there. They're in this game. This is a good game. Third quarter. Kemba, step back. Got it. Nothing but net. Put your fours up for the fourth quarter. LeBron James is in the corner. A step back with a stretched hand. It doesn't matter. He's making his splash. Now he's in transition ahead of steam. You can't stop that man. Another left-handed layup off the glass. Kemba Walker left the game after this play with a left knee contusion. It looks painful, doesn't it? That's unfortunate, getting injured like that, trying to defend a pick and roll. He's listed as day to day. LeBron James, a fadeaway in the post, and then with just under 30 seconds to go, and one for LeBron. Crazy layup. He's flexing his muscles a little bit, feeling great with that 44-point performance. But it just gets better and better. Give that guy a map. Where are you going? What an ankle breaker. In and out move to the spin move to the floater. My ankles hurt just watching him fall back like that. This is crazy. Now he's doing spin moves. He's stepping it